There we go, thank you mate. Oh, where's the captain there? Is that both of them? Oh, that's cool. Speed brakes will come on. The fudge you heard was them shutting the speed brakes. Reverse thrusters.
Booty shot there?
Yeah, he's not being made to hold though. Sorry, being made to hold. Sorry, that's the one. Ron, good afternoon from Surrey in Canada.
Morning here, how long is it?
Morning, sir. Morning. Good morning to you. Good afternoon for us. Or good evening. Sorry, good evening. It's tea time now. We've gone past pre-evening. Yes. So this little executive jet's gone. Well, is going up going over to Farnborough. Cessna Citation Latitude. Came in from Cork before. And next departure after that looks like the Alicante because that was already on the move. An EasyJet. And then we'll have the Wizz A320, sorry, the A319.
You see what Darren's just put in?
No, what?
Funky wingtips too, mini 777.
Yeah, they've got a little like curl off to the end, haven't they? Got a little curl off to the end. Have I got time to actually shot? It's live, it is live from Madrid. QYL, I'm not too sure which one that one is in Madrid. But yeah, it's just going over the
Are you getting there Friday?
You never know, you never know. So this is on the move now as well. So next to the patch on the way down. Oh, that's good to hear, Ron. That's good to hear. It's going to be sunny all weekend over there. Yeah, filled with the grim through the week and then it's the weekend.